The Brahminy kite, formerly known as the red-backed seagull in Australia, is a medium-sized bird of prey in the bird family, which also includes many other common raptors such as eagles, buzzards, and harriers. They are found in Indian subcontinent, Southeast Asia, and Australia. They are found mainly on the coast and in inland wetlands where they feed on dead fish and other prey. Adults have a reddish brown body, plumage contrasting with their white head and breast, which make them easy to distinguish from other birds of prey. Crested serpent eagle, one of the most frequently sighted bird of prey in Sundarban National Park. This medium-sized raptor is easily recognized when perched by its bright yellow, white speckled undersides and loose black and white crest. It mostly feeds on snakes, earthworms, and large songbirds. The crested serpent eagle, as its name suggests, is primarily a snake hunter. It seems to particularly favor tree snakes, but its diet isn't limited to serpents. It will also take lizards, frogs, toads, mammals, eels, small birds, termitates, and large earthworms. In order to catch its prey, it waits patiently on a perch until something good to eat passes by. Then it will drop down to snatch it from the ground or pluck it from vegetation. The crested serpent eagle is found throughout much of Southeast Asia. It prefers to spend its time in primary forest, forest edge, well-wooded hills near agriculture fields and plantations, rocky hilltops, gallery forests, savanna, mangroves, and even near villages. Black-capped kingfisher is distinctive in having a black cap that contrasts with the whitish throat, purple-blue wings, and the coral red bill. The brown-winged kingfisher is a large tree kingfisher measuring 35 cm in length and weighing about 160 grams. These kingfisher species have orange head, nape, throat, and underparts. The bill and the legs are red. The tip of the bill is pale grey. It is found along the north and eastern coasts of the Bay of Bengal, occurring in the countries of Bangladesh, India, Malaysia, Myanmar, and Thailand. In India, it has been mainly reported from the Sundarban region, but records from further south near Chilka exist. Its natural habitat is subtropical or tropical mangrove forests. The whimbrel is a medium-sized curlew which is mainly streaked brown with twin dark streaks along the crown and bill. The bill is long and slightly decurved with a pink lower base. The legs and neck are long. The body is white below with coarsely streaked brown upper parts. In flight, the light-colored rump and streaked tail is obvious. Whimbrels feed in small groups and roost in large flocks, often with other waders. Whimbrels are found mainly on the coast, on tidal and estuarine mudflats, especially near mangroves. They are sometimes found on beaches and rocky shores. The whimbrel species is distributed in northern Eurasia, North and South Americas, Indian subcontinent, Africa, Southeast Asia, and Australia. The whimbrel species are migratory birds. These whimbrels are polytypic species. The whimbrel has a unique crescent-shaped bill. The diet of these whimbrel consists of mainly insects, insects larvae, grasshoppers, locusts, crickets, beetles, spiders, earthworms, small fish, small reptiles, and plant material are their primary food. The whimbrels feeding by probing soft mud with their long sensitive bill for small intervertebrates. They also feed on the prey picked up from dry grounds. The peregrine falcon, also known as the peregrine and historically as the dark hawk in North America, is a cosmopolitan bird of prey in the family Falconidae. A large, pro-sized falcon, it has a blue-grey back, barred white underparts, and a back head. Peregrine falcon is a very interesting raptor found very rarely. This magnificent bird is well known for its very high-speed dive from the sky while hunting. According to some studies, the diving speed of these falcons is recorded to be 300 km per hour to 389 km per hour. These beautiful raptors also have the fastest visual processing capability, almost 5 times than human beings. Sometimes these falcons can be seen in Sundarban while in a jungle safari. As is typical for bird-eating raptors, peregrine falcons are sexually dimorphic, with females being considerably larger than males. The peregrine falcon is a well-respected falconry bird due to its strong hunting ability, high trainability, versatility, and availability via captive breeding. It is effective on most game bird species from small to large. It has also been used as a religious, royal, or national symbol across multiple eras and areas of human civilization. The peregrine falcon feeds almost exclusively on medium-sized birds such as pigeons and doves, waterfowl, game birds, songbirds, parrots, seabirds, and waders. The common redshank, or simply redshank, is a Eurasian warder in the large family of Scalospecidae. Common redshanks in breeding plumage are a marbled brown color, slightly lighter below. Feeds in muddy shallows, probing and picking with its bill. Inhabits fresh and coastal wetlands. Also breeds on moorland, usually near water. The green-billed malkoha is a species of non-parasitic cuckoo found throughout Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. Green-billed malkoha is about 50 to 60 centimeters long and weight 100 to 128 grams. The green-billed malkohas are distributed in India, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Southeast Asia and China. Its breeding habitat is primary forest, second growth, dense thickets, scrub, cultivated areas, rubber plantations across South Asia, east from Nepal, India and Sri Lanka to the Southeast Asia. The diet of green-billed malkoha consists mainly of insects, large caterpillars, grasshoppers, crickets, locusts, dragonflies, moths, beetles, mantids, spiders, and termites are their primary food.